Hi, my name's Sam from Preston Baker Estate Agents. I'm here today to present to you a lovely 5-bed detached house in the heart of Bradway, a beautiful family home. As you can see, it's set back from the main road. There's space for 3 cars on the driveway and an integral garage. Its location could not be more perfect. A short drive away is the Peak District. There's plenty of local amenities around and obviously great schooling, perfect for a family. Let's go and take a look. So we're in here, one of the biggest spaces in the house, lovely living room, recently been refurbished, very modern. As you can see, there's an open plan feel in the dining room to the rear. So there are French doors that open out onto the back of the garden, which is great. As we walk into the kitchen, again, it's a great size. It's very modern, high-end finish, all internal mod cons. The property has got 5 good-sized bedrooms. The master suite has got the ensuite in there, obviously a family bathroom. Let's go and take a look. You're here with me in the master bedroom. This is a great room. It's big, it's bright. You've got 2 windows, obviously allowing light through them, but also you've got an amazing ensuite in there, which I really like. We're here in the second bedroom. It's a double bedroom, plenty of space, plenty of storage. We're here in bedroom 4. It's a great size. Again, plenty of storage space. One of the best features about this house is this lovely south-facing garden. As you can see, it's got plenty of space, but also you have a utility room just off the kitchen there. That concludes today's viewing. If you like what you saw, give us a call at the Sheffield office. Contact number 0114 349 0590. Thank you.